Hello everyone, welcome to Signet Public School, New Nari. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Varsha Pise. Children, we all learn alphabets through alphabet rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? We all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of these 26 letters, A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are called vowels and the remaining letters are called consonants. But suddenly why I am talking about vowels and consonants? Because today we are going to learn about the best friend of vowels and consonants. Can you guess it? Yes, today we are going to learn about articles. What are the articles? Articles are the words that are used to point out or refer a noun. A, an and the are called articles. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. What are the indefinite articles? A and an are called indefinite articles. And why so? Because they do not refer any particular or definite person, place or thing. And what are the definite articles? The is called definite articles. And why so? Because it always point out definite or particular person, place or thing. Today we will learn indefinite articles. Children, when we talk about a single naming word, that is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, we either use article a or an. But when we exactly use these articles? Let's see. A's best friend is consonant. So article A is specifically used with the naming word which starts with consonant sounds. An's best friend is vowel. So article an is specifically used with the naming word which starts with vowel sounds. Here we can say that article A is used with the naming word starts with consonant sound and article an is used with the naming word which starts with vowel sound. Let's see few examples here. The first example is egg. The first letter of egg is E, which is a vowel sound. So here we will use article an egg, an egg. The next example is banana. The first letter of banana is B, which is a consonant sound. So here we will use article a banana, a banana. The next example is tomato. The first letter of tomato is T, which is a consonant sound. So here also we will use article a tomato, a tomato. And the last example is orange. So first letter of orange is O, which is a vowel sound. So here we use article an orange, an orange. Here we come to know that if the naming word starts with consonant sound, we use article a, and if the naming word starts with vowel sound, we use article an. I hope you understand what are the indefinite articles and when we use it. Today we will stop here, but you keep learning. Thank you.